Welcome, dear children, in today's class. Children, in last chapter, means in second chapter, work of the saints, we have studied the various virtues which has been taught by the saints to the mankind and which were very helpful for Shivaji Maharaj in the establishment of Swaraj. Now, children, let me know how you introduce yourself to others with your name and your surname, isn't it? And how others gives you introduction about themselves. Yes, also by the name and surname. So we are recognized by our name and our surname, by our father's name and all that. Children, have you ever wondered what was the surname of Shivaji Maharaj? Have you thought ever about the family history of Shivaji Maharaj? Yes. Children, in this chapter, in the coming chapter, means in chapter number 3, Maratha Sardars, the famous house of Bhosles. We are going to study about the family history of Shivaji Maharaj. Means the name of our chapter 3 is Maratha Sardars, the famous house of the Bhosles. From this you can come to know that surname of Shivaji Maharaj was Bhosles. Here in this pic you can see brave Maratha soldiers. They are fighting very bravely in the battlefield. Isn't it? Yes. Now children, we'll begin with our chapter. First of all, tell me, have you know the meaning of Maratha? Maratha was a caste in the kingdom of Maharashtra in central India, and Sardar means leader. Now children, you take out your book, EVS 2 test book, take out page number 8 and take one pencil in your hand. Underline those words which has been underlined here in red color, and you can see on the screen in red color meanings of certain words have been given. So you can note it down in your test book, the meanings of these words in your test book, or else you can write in your notebook for better understanding. Now all of you be in attention. We are going to start with the chapter. Period of unrest. All this thing what I am reading here is given in your test book. These are the snapshots of your test book pages only. Period of unrest. Unrest means a state where no one is comfortable, not an easy state, instability. As the saints preach devotion to God, the brave Maratha Sardars started a tradition of bravery. Tradition means the thing which has been coming from one generation to other generation. Bravery means fearless, which means not fearing to anyone, not afraid of. So these Maratha Sardars were very brave. All the Maratha Sardars, they have a tradition of bravery. This was a period of great unrest. The two sultans, the Adil Shah of Bijapur and the Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar, were constantly at war with each other. We have studied about these two sultans in our first chapter, Maharashtra before Shivaji, remember? So these two sultans used to fought among themselves for the race of power. And what they used to do? They made use of the armies of Maratha Sardars in these wars. Means the two sultans who used to fought among themselves. Which army they used? Not there. They used the army of Maratha Sardars. Then next, the brave Maratha Sardars. The Marathas were both brave and tough, means they are very strong. They were also fearless and loyal to their masters. Masters means for whom they are rendering the services. They were very proud of their achievements on the battlefield, obviously, because they were fighting very bravely, fearlessly on the battlefield. The brave Maratha soldier with a spear in hand and a sword at the side would ride in his Sardar's cavalry. Spear means a weapon with a pointed metal tip and a long shaft. I am going to show you the pictures. And sword means a weapon with a long sharp metal blade. And cavalry means soldiers who fought on horseback, means who used to fought while they are sitting on the horse. Children, see, this is the picture of spear and the other one is the picture of sword. Understood? Yes. All the Maratha Sardars had their own private armies. As we have seen in the previous para, that the two sultans used to use the Maratha armies while fighting among themselves. So all the Maratha Sardars have their own private armies. Armies means a group of soldiers. If such a Sardar went to the Sultan with his army, the Sultan gave him employment, made him a Sardar of his kingdom, and sometimes conferred a Jagir upon him. So, if such type of Maratha Sardar who owned his own army, if went to the Sultan, what the Sultan used to give? He offered him a employment, a job, and in return the Maratha Sardars have to fight in favor of this Sultan along with his army, and in return the Sultan will give him a Jagir and made a Sardar, and will make him a Sardar of his kingdom. Conferred means giving a title, and Jagir means, all of you know, Jagir means property. And the Sardar who received such a Jagir considered himself a Raja. These are the pictures of spear and sword. Then next, there were many famous Maratha Sardars at the courts of Ahmednagar and Bijapur. The more famous among them were the Jadhavs of Sindhkhed, Nimbarkars of Fulton, Ghorpades of Mudhol, Mores of Zawri, Bhosles of Verul. Children, all these are the names of Maratha Sardars along with their area. You have to learn the name of these Maratha Sardars along with their areas. These are very important. The Sindhkhed Jadhavs were the descendants of the Yadavs of Devgiri. Descendants means from a person's origin, from where it has come. So the Sindhkheds of Jadhav have come from the Yadavs of Devgiri. Jizabai, the mother of Shivaji Maharaj, was the daughter of Lakhoji Rao Jadhav of Sindhkhed. Children, here we came to know that the name of Shivaji Maharaj's mother was Jizabai, who was the daughter of Lakhoji Rao Jadhav of Sindhkhed. Children, here we will stop and we'll continue this para in the next period. Up till now, you will read up to here and you will write these meanings in your notebook or else in your test book. Give a thorough reading up till now. We will continue in the next period. Thank you.